My name is Alfredo Vargas. I work at Pipe Wrench and I work in the install department. What made me want to work here at Pipe Wrench was the first conversation that I had was with Deb Baker, and just talking to her was very reassuring. Relocating from New York to Tennessee, it was definitely what got me to come here. Previously, before working at Pipe Wrench, I worked at Kings Plaza Plumbing, and what I did there was gas to oil to gas conversions was what I did there, working on 3-inch mains and 3- and 4-inch gas mains, and converting from high pressure to low pressure. What I like the most about the work that I do at Pipe Wrench is working on water repipes, which are pretty fun, especially in these new finished homes, and plumbing is just different in Tennessee than it is in New York. So it's kind of interesting to just see how different it is, and figuring out what I'm going to do. What I like the most about working with the company as a whole is just everyone's really friendly, everyone's personable, and everyone just brings good energy every day, and it's good energy to be around. So my life outside of work is pretty much, I'm a very family-oriented guy. So I have a son who's 1.5 years old and my wife. And basically, life outside of work is just family 24/7. Whenever I can, it's just a pleasure to be around. So whenever I'm outside of work, I'm with family.